Last week on Spoondrifters, we went out for a sail. We got rid of the boom gallows that was leaking. We scavenged pieces off of a boat going to the junkyard and evaluated the condition of our tow rail. We're a family of 6 who sold our house, bought a boat, and now we're getting ready to sail around the world. Welcome to our channel.
Roll with a crunchy pop.
Can I keep? I want a cinnamon roll.
Jalapeno cheddar swirl.
I want chocolate and a cinnamon roll.
Yum.
I want a chocolate one. What are those up there?
Big cookie.
Mommy, what are those up there?
Looks like a pig. It says pig
What are
cookie.
those up there, Daddy?
Thanks, Warren! And we gotta pull that screw out. Is that screw coming at all? Probably need to unscrew it.
No, I'm not going to be able to pull it out.
I'm not gonna be either. Can I tell them what I helped with?
Sure.
So when me and Dad were doing something over here, I helped with making the holes bigger so the screws would go in further. And I helped with clamping this up and down.
Very nice. So what are we doing now?
Taking this down, putting, you know what, our favorite 5200 on it. Why? Because we don't want this to come off. Ever again.
It looks like melted whipped cream.
Yep.
Okay, I'll help pump it up and down.
Don't move.
I'm not.
I'm not filming this.
Yes. Okay. She's filming.
Don't move the board. You're moving the board.
Sorry. Tell me when.
Slow and easy. Pump it up. And go a little faster. Just till the end.
Hey, Katie, how are you?
I think she moved my block of wood.
Sorry.
Okay, babe, so here's what we're going to do. So we're going to put some 5200 on the threads of the screw and around the screw. And then we'll gently tap it up into place. And then I will go upstairs and put the nuts on. And we will hold them on one at a time. But I gotta have enough 5200 on this to seal these up. I'm a little concerned. I don't know what is going on.
Woo!
I'm going to go upstairs and work on these.
I think I found treasure.
Now it's our turn, Liberty.
What's our turn?
We get to hold the screws still while Dad puts the nuts on the inside.
Well, he was doing that. I was doing this.
You were doing
I
what?
found the rock treasure.
You found some treasure?
Oh, there.
Oh, what have you found?
Check the front 2 bolts, but I didn't check the back 2 ones. The back 2 ones are kind of hitting each other.
Uh-oh.
Because they're so long. I actually have to cut some threads off.
Threads?
Yeah.
Is that why one of them wouldn't go in?
Yep.
I got
Uh-oh, she has 5,200 at herself.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
Is this one of those moments where you should break out the vise?
I got 5,200 all over everything. I'm just trying not to get 5,200 on anything else. That's all.
It's annoying, kind of. The heat. You just feel wet. And it's like you're warm, but there's no sun, so why are you warm? Or you can just have Liberty shout what he says off the side of the boat.
Right?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes? Kind of.
You'd like to call me after I've got 5,200 on my and on the floor, huh?
Sorry.
You said you could hear me.
I could not hear you.
I could hear you.
Can't even. 5,200 all over my hands from the nut. I'm not gonna be able to get.
Dad needs the flashlight out of the back of the van.
Okay. Ow. In the very back? Oh, my life jacket. Well, fell out. Found it.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna start tightening that first one up. How's that looking?
Good?
Okay, I'm just gonna tighten up that back for a moment. Let me see if I can get the nut on the other one over here.
Sitting on my knees like this is kind of killing me. Of course, I'm not on my belly, so it's all good, right?
Right now I can get the nut on okay, so let me just spin it down below.
Trying to get like some of what you're doing. But I can't.
Tell me when you can't hold it anymore.
It's not there yet.
Look at my plate.
Looking good.
Yep.
Well, I guess I hope that it's in the right place.
Well, we're about to test that right now.
I was having fun.
I don't know, dear. I think it's about as straight as we can possibly get it with our skills. I guess if it vibrates going down the road or down the ocean, I don't know what else to do.
Yep.
All right, well.
Good.
Hey, dear. Getting it?
That's right.
How can I help?
Put the phone down or the camera down.
If I put the camera down, everybody can't see our struggle.
That's the key.
Ooh, look, you did it by yourself.
You got it?
I got it. Holy cow, this thing is heavy.
Yeah, why do you think I wanted you to put the camera down? I bet it weighs 60 pounds or 70 pounds.
So what is it?
The prop shaft.
Yay! Today's the
prop
day.
shaft.
So today we left the kids at home. They have worked really hard the last couple of days and were very tired this morning. And I was tired too, so since I couldn't stay home, I let them stay home. So Todd's back there taking apart that lead, the encapsulated lead ballast. So why are we taking this out?
We don't need it.
We actually need the weight for something else.
We're going to put our house batteries here, which is going to counteract that lead with no problem. So
we tried a power tool, but ultimately decided that doing it by hand was working better. So we returned that and saved those pennies for other boat projects. I'm not strong enough, I don't think.
is it harder than it looks?
Yeah, a lot harder. You finished sanding? Woohoo! Katie says she's finished sanding.
I know, that's awesome.
Are you almost finished?
Well, I have 2 more rows to do. Ta-da! Look at that. I'll say I should do a review on this. I can't even tell what brand this screwdriver is. I bought it at Lowe's. I've been beating on this and prying on this for weeks. It's still holding up. Pretty good screwdriver. It was just a cheap one too. Alright.
One more.
One more.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! The last of the lead.
So how much did we have?
I believe that with this one comes up to 850 pounds of lead on this side of the boat. And that's, like I said, designed to counteract the weight of a generator on that side of the boat, which we have that only weighs 400 pounds. So I think that we'll be okay.
It's the end of the week. We've gotten lots done. And today Todd wants to test the strength of the dinghy davits. I'm not sure I'm totally on board with this project. Really and truly what he wants to do is paint the trailer that Teaspoon is sitting on, our small sailing dinghy. So he thinks that hooking the boat up to the dinghy davits and lifting it a little bit is a good test for the davits. So I guess we'll see. So you think that they will hold?
Well, I think they'll hold. The question is, are they out far enough to really, I don't want to swing the boat into the rudder.
Hence my concerns. You are stressing me out.
Abigail,
Yeah?
hold that rope for me. Hold that line.
This one?
Yep. You just hold on to it is all. Got it?
Hopefully nobody gets hurt after this.
Well, that's why you don't belong down there.
Just keep the tension on it for a
I'm
second.
just getting something from there.
Is it doing anything?
What?
Bring it around. Let go where your hand is.
That did something.
You all ready?
gosh.
Is that all you got?
Yeah, that's all we got.
It up, so. Get in position.
Ready?
Okay.
That's as far as it goes.
Tell me what you think. Does it look like it's off the trailer?
Can't look.
Huh?
I can't look.
We'll just let go.
Oh, yes. Not that I can lift on the front.
Both. Just kind of lift from the bow. There you go.
That's good.
Watch out for your side. A little more.
These gloves are a little big.
Are they? Let me see.
So you have to tape them around my wrists to make them stay on.
Funny.
I want to paint.
You'll get a turn because Liberty will be tired at some point. The kids got the trailer painted and it's drying. As soon as it's dry, we're going to grab some people in the boatyard to help us put the boat back on the trailer because we sent the kids home. They were bored stiff and there wasn't much for them to do, so they went swimming. Okay, see those ugly dark clouds? Yeah. That is some rain that is headed our way, so we are packing it up. Got to get the boat on the trailer and we can be done and call this week a wrap. Oh my goodness!
It's raining on my head.
It is pouring and blowing and we are soaking wet.
I think I can see.
I know there's nothing to dry our glasses on in here. You got something? Ooh, Todd has something. All right, we are done for this week. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We got a lot done. Thanks for watching.
Yes, we did.
If you like our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we want to hear from you. Come over to Facebook and leave us a comment. Don't miss next week when we start looking for how to pull apart the settee, start tracking down leaks. I give up my Alaska card, and we are finishing the sides of the boat.